Yeah, down there. It's starting to feel better, man.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Not surprised, Ninja.
Oh, I've got full faith in your work.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Celebrating your 10th year, haven't we?
10th year, I know.
We're going to talk about all year.
Yeah, absolutely. Nathan Cleary, if you guys want to have a bit of a look to see who I look like. Maybe Leo can edit a little photo of him here.
Yeah.
G'day, Jason Ninja for another classic video.
Yes.
Treat Ninja's calf.
Yep.
So we think we've narrowed it down to a Soleus strain, which is the lower of the muscles in your lower leg. So your soleus is important for plantar flexion, so particularly if your knee is bent. So if we're doing a bent leg calf raise, that's going to get more of our soleus. So like this, where our knees are bent, is going to target more of our soleus, so this lower part of the muscle. So it's really important if we're running and sprinting and lifting and jumping and things like that Ninja is doing. So yeah, we need to get him back to function. So he's had a few sessions on it, but now we just need to clean out the last little bits of what's hanging on in there. So have you been able to get back to any sort of running, or it still feels like there's a little bit in there?
Still a little bit in there, but I know, just going upstairs and all that kind of stuff, I'm fine now. And
so
just know
walking,
that
it's all right?
it's improved, yeah. And I have sort of got on my toes a little bit, running across the road or whatever, and just little tests.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm keen to run in a couple of days' time, if possible, and yeah.
Build back into it, see how you go?
Yeah. It was even sore when I was lifting after I'd first done it.
Yeah.
Yeah, just doing
Putting
deadlifts.
any sort of load through it.
Yeah. And but now it's come good, so.
And was this the one you strained a little while ago as well? You had
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Maybe. Oh, just in there, Jace. That's on the money.
That's on the money there. So we're nearly on tib post in there.
Yeah, I
as
reckon
well,
there's a
actually.
bit of that too.
This seems familiar to the calf strain that I had a little while ago.
Yeah.
Felt like it was more gastrocky soleus, but there was a lot in tib post as well. So
Yeah. It was kind of a weird thing because I was just jogging or skipping.
Just a warm up, wasn't it?
Yeah, warm up, and then it felt like this string appeared.
Had you done much of a warm up before the or did you just?
We'd
start
done
with skipping?
done 6 50-meter run throughs.
That's normal for you, yeah.
Yeah, and then we'd try to skip 50 meters, and then probably lasted 30.
Did it just a bit of skipping, a bit more force through there.
I felt a little bit in the rep before, but things like that happen all the time with me, and they warm up, you work through them. This one didn't.
My cars feel like that every time we do warm ups. They feel like they're going to snap and they get through. So
it's always the worst part of our training, isn't it? The warm up.
Absolutely.
Feel the worst. Once you're up and going, you just forget about it, and your body just warms up, and there's no pains and
once you
restrictions.
get into the actual session and you're doing the sprints and everything, it normally feels good. Yeah, even up high.
Yeah,
Might even start all the way up and see what we find.
Yeah, I can feel something coming, emerging.
Because you said you sort of felt it down here, but you felt like there's a line coming further up.
Yeah, a line through there. Yeah, just there, man. This
feels relevant.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even more medial than you thought.
Yeah. Yeah, towards the bone more, towards the shin more.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's got a bit on it.
Any referral patterns coming down, or just local?
Local, wherever you're kind of touching. Yeah.
Not crushing you too much.
No, the bone crusher's
good
not.
Pain.
Yeah. You're good. Mustache is looking mighty fine.
I gave it a little work over today.
Yeah,
it was getting a bit out of hand. So
was
I had to
it?
trim it. Yeah. I nearly got rid of the whole thing.
Did ya?
You would have been happy.
Oh, would have been.
I kept it on. Maybe Friday it might be gone.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yeah, I reckon.
Start fresh?
Yeah, start fresh.
Don't know. We'll have to see. See how we go.
What do you think, Nina?
Put a poll out there, do you reckon?
Yeah.
Just YouTube land. Who wants to see the Mo survive, or do you want to go on? Ninja will be voting on their 100 fake accounts just to get the vote through.
Yeah.
Ninja's cousin will be voting. Ninja's brother.
Barry.
Yeah, Barry from the bush will be voting.
Yeah. Get him onto it.
Barry making a comeback to Melbourne anytime soon? Or
I think he's around.
Yeah?
Yeah. Gets a bit hot up north, up
likes
bush.
It cold, does he?
Yeah, so he comes down here in the
so
winter.
he's the opposite to you. You like it warm.
Yeah, I might go and swap
roles.
Go and live at his house.
Yeah.
See his hut in the middle of the forest.
All right, let's get back in with the thumb and really nail it through here.
Yeah,
so
starts there.
Found some good stuff in there. So we're just slowly working through Little pins. We can even see if we need to like scoop it off the bone at all. Nah, that feels pretty good.
Yeah, just that line, isn't
The
it?
straight line through, yeah.
Down towards the ground, just in there.
Staying in close to that tib.
Yeah.
So the main bone in the leg there, that big one coming through. So we're just right on the medial aspect of that. Where that, tibialis posterior comes in, which is responsible for a bit of pronation of the foot. Sorry, supination. So just pin in there, keep going all the way through. Yeah, a little bit of movement there for Ninja, just help to get a bit of a pin and release.
Starting to feel better on that line now.
Yeah.
Probably the line just back towards you.
Yep.
A little bit is
the next one.
Yeah, still got a bit to go maybe.
So we'll go a little bit more medial.
So you might have to try and get underneath that gastroc.
Yep.
Yeah, in there. I can feel it deeper in there. Whoa.
So just doing a bit more specific work, really clearing it out. So Ninja's had a bit of work more superficially, but yeah, if we need to really get in, we've got to get the thumbs in and gouge it out.
Yeah, just go in there, I reckon. Just maybe a little bit more deep if you can. Yeah, that's it.
He wants it deeper.
Needs to hit it. You need to push through. That's it.
It's a good pain.
Yeah.
This should have me kicking and screaming in all sorts, I reckon.
Yeah, even with good calf.
Good calf, yeah. Good calf would be kicking even more, probably.
You're strong as, mate. You're tough.
Thanks, Nick.
Tough.
Thanks, mate. You're making me feel good.
Yeah, you're tough.
Let's go another. Just target a bit that lower.
Whoa, yeah, that's it. Just at a different angle. That's pinning it now.
Pushing that way, yeah.
Yeah. Got me good.
Pushing in towards the bone.
That's it.
So that's where it can be a subtle change of just your angle can make such a big difference from, previously I was pushing straight down, where now sinking in and pushing more out towards the bone can make it, a massive difference on hitting the spot.
So it's good for you not to be receiving the calf treatment?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
You've had about 14.
Did get a little bit of treatment in a video from Dars. He gave me a bit of a footy rub.
Yeah.
So if you haven't seen that video, go and check it out. It's a good one. Worked through my lower back, glute, hamstring, calf. And there was a couple of nasty spots, but wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's nailing it there.
Happy to be on the giving end of this calf treatment.
Yeah. It's pretty brutal when you're receiving it, isn't it?
Yeah. Especially thumb work directly on the sore spot.
Yeah. Yeah, it works though. As long as you're using the right technique.
That's right.
You've got to get consent. You've got to go at the rate that tissue's unravelling out. If you kind of force it and go too fast, you
anything higher up in
can
there?
be hurting it. More damage.
Not too bad up there.
Not too bad. A little bit in there, but yeah, just the more you go that way, you can feel it. Yeah, down there. It's starting to feel better, man.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Not surprised, Ninja.
Oh, I've got full faith in your work.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
I'll be a bit worried if he was like, I didn't know how he was going to go with it.
We've been celebrating your 10th year, haven't we?
10th year, I know.
We're going to talk about all year.
Yeah, absolutely. Until it's into the 11th year, then we'll talk about it.
Bring out your... Leo cut in some Ewan Beaker and stuff like that.
Yeah, Beaker got a run in.
Yeah.
What are we going to have this year,
Lookalikes.
Ninja? You reckon we're doing lookalikes again?
I reckon,
There was a student in the course thought I looked like a rugby player over here in Australia. So maybe I'll have to come as him for the next.
Yeah.
Which means I have to keep the mo.
Yeah, you have to grow it back.
Keep it. Yeah.
Grow it back. Has he got a mustache? Has he this
Yeah,
bloke? Yeah.
Nathan Cleary, if you guys want to have a bit of a look to see who I look like. Maybe Leo can edit a little photo of him here.
Yeah.
Ready? Ching, right there.
Fuck,
Good
through there,
ninja.
man. That's,
There's a good one there.
plenty through that line.
Let's see how we go down that line. Not as bad, that line there.
Nah.
No. Yeah, it's definitely that medial. Keep working. We might do this one. Then we might even get you standing up, Ninja, just see how it feels, and then see if we need to attack it from a different angle.
Yeah. Nice and warm out here today, man.
It's warm, isn't it? You'll be working on the tan. I needed to have my shirt off.
Yeah, well, get it off.
No, I've got to use the microphone.
Oh, any excuse.
Any excuse to keep my shirt on.
Yeah.
Got to have a bit of modesty, Ninja.
You do. Don't like letting people see the rig, do you?
Nah, got to pay extra to get that.
Yeah, that's right. Patreono.
Little plug for you.
Patreono, you can see Jace.
All right, Ninja, let's get you to stand up and have a little move around on that calf. It'll feel a bit tender. Maybe do like a little bit of a calf raise or a Soleus.
Oh, I couldn't do that. Oh, yeah. I couldn't hop.
Oh, yes.
I can hop now. Look at that.
Is there still any awareness in there, or how you?
It just sort of feels like it's swollen a little bit or
from the
something.
session?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it's just got a little bit of
Bit of blood in there.
bit of swelling, but
Yeah.
if I can compare them, I think they're just swollen a little bit just through that bit.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that one's not as
How
pronounced.
are you feeling? Even just like doing like a bit of a knee over your toe sort of movement. How does it feel there? Is there any restriction there?
I'll just compare it. Yeah, it can just feels like a full, like a stretch through here.
Okay.
It's a more pronounced stretch than
Yeah.
the other side.
All right. Well, maybe we'll finish with your face down and do a little stroke through there. Now
calf.
this will test me out. Which one am I treating?
On the right.
On the right.
And this one, closest
Yes.
to
Thanks, Ninja.
You're right.
Left and right, I still haven't mastered.
you. Yeah. Nah, you don't have to.
You don't have to?
Nah, just ask them.
I normally do. I normally go, now my left and right is terrible. Which one did you?
You don't. You say, is it this one? You tap them. You don't even have to say left and right.
That's how you've got mine.
No, other one. All right.
But it's better to ask than to not.
Yeah.
You don't want to get the whole session in and then 5 minutes ago they go, you know it's the other side, right? You don't want to make that mistake.
Yeah. It's amazing how late into your career you can still make that mistake. You know.
Not that we've made it, Ninja.
No.
No.
And you can be so sure that you'd work on the right side.
So you've just completed a big week, Ninja. You had your first full week student intake. How did that go in person?
In person, 5-day workshop. Yeah, it was awesome. Yeah, I think everyone would want to do it again. I think it was that good. It's a lot different to what you'd think. It's not just about bodywork. It's beyond bodywork. Is probably the name of what we're going to call the education side of things, MMT. So like I don't think you can have professional development without personal development. They kind of go hand in hand. So you've got to be better as a person in order to be better professionally when it comes to working with people, when you need to care for people, support people, hold space for people, and guide them from teardrops to glory. You need to be strong in yourself. So mentally, physically, emotionally, clear your shit, be a more capable human. So I think that's what we did. We kind of got people's stuff to come to the surface. You don't actually intend for it to do it, but if it's there, it will come out, and then we can work with it. So that's the beauty of our in-person stuff. You get to feel it, see it, do it with us, not just sort of watching videos. But if you can't, get here, the videos are a really good thing to follow along with. So anyway, it was good.
Yeah, nice.
We can know that we can run a 5-day event and we can pull it off. We're really good hosts, and
Awesome.
Look into it. Look into it if you're interested in doing some work with us, because it will be life changing. So, and even for us as the hosts, we kind of still realise that we're developing ourselves as well, and we've got our own stuff. So we're not everybody in the world has got stuff they've got to work on. It's crawling on me.
Oh, you're a fly.
Yeah. Felt weird.
How's the calf feeling?
Yeah, good.
Going a bit nicer here just to sort of calm a few things down.
Yeah, that's good, man. If you're in Melbourne, if you're coming from overseas and you want to see Jace, there's a few people from America and stuff booked in.
Yeah, we've had
Isn't
some
there
Americans
over
that have come
your
in over the
time?
Yeah.
Just want to see Jace.
Come over for a full-on immersion experience, Ninja. They can get the full week if they're committed.
Yep. You can see, book Jace out for the week. What do you reckon?
Get Ninja to chime in and help.
Yeah. That's it. We've got Mac coming in a couple of months.
Nice.
So that'll be good.
That'll be another big training program.
Yeah, we'll spend a couple of weeks with him. So looking forward to that. We've got to get our bodies right for.
Yeah, got to keep up with him.
Yeah, he's a hard trainer. So yeah, I like to be able to join in. Don't just bark orders.
Yeah, you want to be in doing it yourself.
You got to do the stuff.
Yeah.
You can't just tell people to do things. You got to be able to do them. Maybe not at the same ability he has, but I can,
keep up with him, Ninja. I reckon you've got him.
yeah, the handicap, the races, the running, pound for pound.
Pound for pound.
Might be as strong as him. Who knows?
Age for pound.
Yeah, we'll have to do some sort of formula that gives me a bit of a chance.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Oh, anyway, what do you reckon, Ninja? You might wrap it up there.
You fixed
There's
me.
Ninja's
Yeah.
calf. Fixed it. Bit of a chat about the online course and the in-person course. So yeah, if you're interested, jump on, book an appointment with Ninja and Aaron. You can have a chat. And if you need treatment, come in and see us.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Done.